Hello everybody. Today everybody knows Chippy from my last video. Everybody knows Chippy from my last video. Say hi, Chippy. Over here. She's probably very mad at me. Yeah. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a way to bond with the cockatiel. I think it would help a lot. I also find this thing annoying. Okay, so I'll place it. Place the tablet right here. Don't know if you can see. I'm just gonna place it on the table, but it's very messy as you can see, and the ground is also messy, so I can barely stand. Oh, I knew that I would introduce myself. My name is Chris, and I'm going to be helping you train your cockatiel. This is my name, so I'm going to be helping you with it. So one. Hi, Kath.
Hi.
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Oh.
I already made one.
Okay.
How to make a cockatiel painting. How to make a bird think there's no point in biting.
Have fun.
This can actually help to bond with your cockatiel. But I don't actually know where to put it, because I might just put the camera right here. And as you can see, he's right up there. So I'm going to be holding the camera. I'm going to want to scare him off. Just put this in. Take this in. Bite it. No, she's scared. Okay, so you're going to put your hand in this formation. Only your fingers at the bottom and only your thumb at the back, so your cockatiel cannot see, because you know cockatiels will bite. So put it up to your cockatiel and watch the magic happen. Just put it up to her. Put it up to her. If she won't come on, that will be a daze. If she bites it, that will also be a daze. But if I have this, and this photo should probably take it out. Okay, so this is her food. Your phone. And there is Chippy over there. Say hi, Chippy. Yum yum yum, whatever. So she will react to any kind of human-like thing come into her own cage. Sorry for that reflection. I really want the camera person. Hey guys, you going anywhere? Sorry. Okay. Then I cannot. Then because I really need that camera person. There's nothing to put the camera on. Okay, so I'm just going to clear this. Oh, this is a lot. Not gonna lie, this is a lot. This is you see Chippy. Okay, so you can see Chippy all the way up there. To put something down. Something heavy, you know? Chippy, you're gonna be on YouTube, so be on your best behavior, okay? Please. Oh, what's up? This is for me. I'm trying to set up the camera here, folks, so you can go like watch TV or something until I'm ready. So this is going to be quite a while, because I found my old Emma because my last video. Hopefully you can see Chippy. See? Yeah, you can see Chippy quite fine. Hi. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to get her on your container. Okay, this is a very simple and very easy to do. Let's get into it. First, you have to put these certain rules. Thumb at the back and all the rest of your fingers at the bottom, so you can maintain control. See? If they start chewing of it, that won't be a problem if they don't have much trust of you. So see, she has stepped on. It's very simple. They will waddle off, which is obvious, but they don't have much trust in you or faith in you. So what you are going to do, stop biting, hop on, yeah. Good. I'll be in another video where you can experience. You have to get 2 foods though. I'm going to show you the 2 foods you're going to need in this video. As you can see, Chippy just hops to different. As you can see, Chippy just hops. Chippy can eat. You can eat, Chippy. Should experience it instead. The Chippy hop off. Good birdie. And that's so far. I'm going to show you the foods now. You are going to need some trail mix, and I can't really remember the name of this food, but you're going to need some trail mix and this sort of food for it. I might also show it in this video because I didn't know much of the bird most of the talking, so I am going to do it right now. So this is going to require 2 hands, and I suggest switching the cage around because it will help a lot. I'm going to put these clear and just switch the cage around. This cage is pretty old, so if any of you comment that this is my bird, it is not. It's actually a class bird. They're assuming it's mine because they say the cage is mine and that I donated it. So you can to be honest, actually, this is actually kind of hard. You get trail mix and the other food. You're going to make your cockatiel go into the other food, and then you'll notice she will climb onto the other food like that. But if she seems to be in this position, slide it down and voila, you got it correct. Make sure your cockatiel does not see vision of your hand. So Chippy, climb off Chippy. Good. So that is how to make your cockatiel stand up. Now if she ends up biting like this and start tweeting, nothing's wrong. But if you leave her in the dark about for an hour or so, she will get knick-knacked. She will get knick-knacked. So to be honest, she will get knick-knacked very easily because this is a feisty cockatiel. And see, she will click anything in her way. So if she be me, I've got her spray. Watch. Okay, that was totally uncalled for, but Chippy should buy multiple different stuff. Okay, Chippy, that was kind of uncalled for, right? So she will buy multiple different stuff, and she'll flap her wings when she gets very paranoid, or do that. You can chase her onto the ground, but you will not like it. She will stay on the ground for a second. When her mohawk is up, she's either scared or angry. You can feel her outside. Gently patting her head. There, just give her a little pat on her head. So this is a kind of long video, guys. It's only 5 minutes and it's quick and easy. So this is Chris, and I will see you in the next video.